waters from Ocklackney River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles until 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles northwest of K-Tower, moving northwest at 20 knots. Hazard.
Solomon, stop SMWing me.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots.
You need to start going off.
Frequent lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include K-Tower and O-Tower. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Imagine they do it as a double header.
These are the
Which I doubt they'll do.
At the Tallahassee airport, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 86 degrees.
Does everything else have EOM detection? Alright, let's shoot 5-4.